Hi, welcome to M&Z Tech Fit. So today, you got it, we are going to be making some soaps. We're going to be making African black soap. Yes, and that's just my base that I'll be using. And as usual, I'm going to have my aloe vera. I'm going to also have my crystal soap base that we need to make that soap. There is also cocoa butter, because you know a girl gotta have some cocoa butter. Yes, we're gonna have some dried flowers as well, just to ensure we get that beautiful soap together. And finally, we're gonna have some mango essence. So this is what we're working with. And you need your mold. You need your soap mold, guys. You do absolutely do. So here we go. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Let's get to soap making. So our aloe vera is already prepared, you guys. It's washed, it's cleaned, and I am gonna be using the outer part of the aloe vera in this soap. I won't be straining it or anything. So let's get to it. So we're going to start off by blending our aloe vera to prepare it for our soap. Next, we're going to cut up our crystal soap base into cubes. That's the soap melt. So I have melted it in the microwave for 2 minutes. So I had to take it out and stir it as well. What I'm gonna do at this stage is that I'm just gonna be adding my African black soap to it as well. I'm gonna melt it in it as well instead of stirring it in. So that's what it is, and then I'm just gonna melt that again for 2 minutes. So let's see how that turns out. So guys, this is it. Looks like cake, doesn't it? So we have melted the soap with the soap melt, sorry, with the African soap, and I think I put a lot in it, so this is gonna be a really interesting soap, I think. Guys, I'm also gonna add my aloe vera at this point, and I'm just gonna stir it in. It's gonna be a really great soap, this one. Just gonna stir it in. I've also melted my cocoa butter, guys. Melted it, and then I'm gonna add it to the mixture. It did take a lot of stirring. I had to stir off camera. It still just needs a bit more stirring, as you can see, but it looks lovely. At first I thought it would come out like but trust me, it's coming out really good. So I'm just gonna pour the cocoa butter into that now. I'm just gonna keep on stirring. I'm just gonna fold it in first so I don't make a mess. I've been making messes all day with this soap, but trust me, this soap is gonna be one of the best things for my skin. My skin is gonna love this. It has the African black soap, it has the aloe vera in it, it also has the cocoa butter in it, guys. Look at this. Can't wait for the finished product. I'm hoping that it will look awesome. I think it will. So let's just keep on stirring. This is what the finished product looks like. Oh, I love that consistency. It looks almost like cake. So I'm just gonna place it. I'm gonna pour it into my mold, and I will show you the finished product, guys. I have made such a mess making this, but I think it was worth it. This soap is gonna be one of my best. Put the dried flowers in it. I don't know if it will make a difference because it's really dark, but I'm gonna try it anyways. Wish me luck. I'm just gonna be pouring it now because that's the I had to change container. See, because I'm usually very messy when it comes on to this part, and I wanted to just leave it there for a sec. That's what it looks like. And I think I'll have more soap than anticipated, so I'm just gonna use another mold as well. I didn't want it to be that much, but I'll just leave it on here to set. I did have to add another mold. I'm gonna try to be a bit tidier. I'm not gonna add any dried flowers to this one. Gosh, I'm still gonna have leftover, guys. I'm gonna have leftover. Nice cake. It's like cake. I love it. So nice. It's like cake, guys. I'm adding just to that one because I really don't want to use another mold. But I think I will need to. So guys, I forgot to put my mango essence in it, and I want it to smell nice. So I'm just gonna put a few bits in there, hoping that it should subside anyway. It should eat it up, but I don't mind not having the fragrance in there. But I know I wanted to give my sister some, and she was like, oh, make sure you have some sort of smell in there. So I'm literally just adding a bit, and it will just have that smell to the bottom bit of it, which is awesome. I love it. Awesome. So I'm just gonna wait for it to set at the moment, and then I'll show you the finished product. Finished product, guys. Finished product. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at how beautiful this is. It looks like something you can eat. And guess what? It is good for your skin. You can also use it as a co-wash for your hair because it has all that goodness in there. It has all that aloe vera. It has the black African soap. You guys, this is my first time and I'm so proud of me, so proud of me. Guys, try it out. Please like, share, and subscribe so people can know about this. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my loyals who keep on coming back. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Have a awesome time, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.